Hey everyone, welcome back to Veltrix Games. If PUBG Battlegrounds is not launching / not initializing on Steam, crashing immediately after launch, getting stuck on a black screen, or simply refusing to open at all, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and most effective fixes that has worked for many players, including myself. So let's get started. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find PUBG Battlegrounds in your game list. Once you've found it, right-click on PUBG and select Properties. A new window will appear. On the left-hand side, click on Installed Files. Now you'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Steam will begin scanning every PUBG file installed on your computer. Now here's what Steam is actually doing behind the scenes. Steam compares every file on your PC with the official version stored on Steam's servers. If Steam detects a file that is missing, corrupted, outdated, or different from what it should be, it automatically downloads a fresh copy and replaces the problematic file. This is why this fix is so effective. Instead of uninstalling and reinstalling the entire game, which can take hours depending on your internet speed, Steam only replaces the files that are causing the problem. The verification process may take a few minutes depending on your storage drive and system performance. Once the scan is complete, Steam might display a message saying that one or more files failed validation and will be reacquired. That's completely normal and usually means Steam found something wrong and fixed it. After the verification is finished, I recommend closing Steam completely and reopening it. Then try launching PUBG again. In many cases, the game will start normally because the corrupted files have been replaced with healthy versions. If PUBG is still not launching after verifying the files, let me know down in the comments exactly what error message you're getting, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it. There are a few additional fixes we can cover in future videos, including repairing anti-cheat issues, updating graphics drivers, checking Windows security settings, and fixing launch conflicts with background applications. But before trying those more advanced solutions, always start with verifying the integrity of your game files, because it's quick, safe, and often solves the problem immediately. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to Veltrix Games, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future PUBG fixes, gaming tutorials, walkthroughs, and performance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.